Hi, my name is Liz Hartman, and I have had a wonderful time teaching the students of UID with lingerie design this week. We have done quite a few explorations on exploring the contouring of the body, as well as how to adjust patterns for that. The students have enjoyed sketching and learning about various forms of lingerie, activewear, and inner is outerwear. And then they patterned and stitched their own garments, which you can see here on display. It was a lot of work for them. They surely learned a lot, as we did as well, and it was a wonderful experience to be here at UID.